In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the pending moderation issue in Fantasy Premier League. If your team or league name is stuck in moderation, don't worry, here's what you can do. First, understand why this happens. The FPL system automatically flags names that might include offensive, sensitive, or restricted words. When this happens, your team or league shows pending moderation until it's reviewed. To fix it quickly, go back to your account settings. Open the FPL app or website. Tap on your team or league name. Edit it to something simple and neutral. Avoid special characters, slang, or anything that could be flagged. Once you change it, hit save. The moderation tag should clear almost instantly or within a few minutes. If it still stays stuck, log out and log back into the app. Sometimes it's just a sync issue. And as a backup, try using the official FPL website instead of the app. If nothing works, contact FPL support. They will manually review and clear your team or league name if it's not breaking rules. And that's it. That's how you fix the pending moderation issue in Fantasy Premier League. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.